Good morning, students. We will continue chapter 4 in Geography, Agriculture, part 2. We will discuss in detail about the factors affecting agriculture. The factors that affect agriculture can be classified in two ways. First, physical factors, and second, human inputs. Let's discuss in detail about them. First, physical factors, which are also known as the natural factors. They include topography, soil, water, and climate. First of all, topography. What does it mean? Topography refers to the shape and features of land surface, which are clearly shown in the diagram. Now, the question is, what type of topography is most suitable for agriculture? And the answer is flatland or fertile plains are most suitable for agriculture. Why? The reason is that in these fertile plains, soil gets deposited by rivers, and the rivers deposit alluvial soil, which is considered as the most fertile soil. Agriculture also takes place on highlands. There it can be performed by the terrace farming. Second factor is the soil. Fertile soil is the most essential for the cultivation of crops. Alluvial soil rich in humus is considered the best soil for most of the crops. The alluvial soil is brought down by the rivers and is deposited in the floodplains. Laterite soil is low in fertility, and such type of soil can be used only to cultivate coarse grains like jowar and bajra. Next important factor for agriculture is water. We all know that rain is the primary source of water, and that's why timely and adequate rainfall is vital or important for the growth of crops. If in any area rainfall is not regular, in that case proper irrigation facilities ensures timely availability of water. And the last important physical factor is the climate. Different climatic conditions are required for different crops, and that's why you might have observed that all type of crops are not grown in our area. For example, wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall, but at the same time paddy or rice require high temperature and humidity. And that's why West Bengal is the biggest producer of rice. You will not find paddy fields near our Udaipur. Now, next type of factors are the human influence. They include machinery and tools, fertilizers, means of irrigation, labor and transport. What is the use of machinery? You can see in the picture number of machineries used in the agricultural activities. The biggest benefit of machinery is that they save time and labor. And as they save time and labor, they can also enhance the crop production. The reason behind it is that with the use of machines, we can cultivate large fields which are not possible with the human labor. Second, fertilizers, which are essential for the growth of plants, because fertilizers provide necessary nutrients to the soil required for the growth of plants. These fertilizers may be of two types. First, bio, and another is the chemical fertilizers. You might have heard about the cow dung. That is an example of the biofertilizers, which is very good for the health of soil. You also might have heard about that excessive use of chemical fertilizers has affected the soil fertility. Next is the means of irrigation. That is the most essential, because the country like India, where the rainfall is irregular also, and in some of the areas it is inadequate. Different methods of irrigation are used where rain or river water is not available. And in these days, latest techniques of irrigation are used that saves water. With the help of irrigation, we can also increase the region of arable land. Now, what is arable land? Arable land is that land which is suitable for cultivation of crops. Next is the labor. There are certain crops where human labor is the must. For example, in paddy fields. Do you know what are paddy fields? Paddy fields are the fields where rice is grown. And these paddy plants have to be transplanted, and lot of manual labor is required. Likewise, in tea gardens also, labor is required for plucking tea leaves. So labor also plays an important role in agriculture. And the last and the most important is transport, because it is needed to carry crops from the field to the storage places and to the market. So these are all the factors which affect agriculture. We finish today's session here only. Thank you and have a nice day.